Okay, here's our super seat. Now check it out. A little bit more padding, but it's a little bit more heavier as well. So you might like this seat here, but it is an upgrade option on our Z4 scooter. This one is our standard seat, a little more lightweight, and you will save a little bit of money by going to the smaller seat here. The first part of the assembly is going to be putting your seat post into the seat post shaft here. Now the bolt's already assembled here, and you have your nut here on the left side. I'm looking at it overhead. So take this out exactly how it is right now, and make sure you hold on to this washer and this nut right there and pull this out. Now our shafter's got 3 selections here for seat height, so you can adjust it probably about an inch between the 3 seat selections. Push this down into the shaft here, and let's insert our bolt the same way we took it out. So let's line it up. Let's push that in until it goes all the way through. Let's get our washer on. Let's get our nut on there and hand tighten it until you stops here. And then let's get the supplied tools that comes with your Z4 scooter, and we'll tighten these up. You want to make sure this is nice and tight. Now I've tightened it up, and you can see that it moves the whole mobility scooter when I do this. So it's very tight. Another thing on this shafter is you want to make sure you have this little rubber grommet on the top. Very important part of that is to make sure that the seat sets on that easily, and it can swivel on that rubber part here. We got our seat post in, and now this is a very simple process. We're going to take this part here and put it right into the shaft. Make sure that's down and secure. Push it down. What's really neat about this seat is it will lock into position, and you have a lever here if you ever wanted to rotate your seat left or right. No problem at all. We just lift our lever, and then when we drop it, it locks right into position. Our seat is in, but we're going to attach our armrest to it. Now we got 3 settings here, 1, 2, and 3, and it kind of lines up with these holes here. And your Z4 will come with a pin like that that'll pin it right in place. But besides that, we also have this turn screw here that can tighten it down in place. So depending on the width of the seat that you need, you can push this in. You can put your pin in, select the width that you want, push that in, and then we can secure it down with this hand tighten screw here. Nice and secure. Let's repeat the step for the left side now.